Welcome back to Easy Cooking. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make another Asian inspired dish. I'm going to be showing you how to make my version of a really quick shrimp ramen. Really easy to make, and the preparation time and the cooking time combined is going to be less than 40 minutes. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you'll find the list of ingredients in the description box of this video, and you'll also find it in my blog where you can print the whole recipe. Let's get started. Here I have the shrimp. It's already cleaned, peeled and deveined. I left 10 of them without peeling. I will be using those for presentation. We'll season the shrimp with black pepper to taste, salt to taste, and crushed red pepper to taste. Toss together so the shrimp is well seasoned, and just set them aside. You will also season the shrimp that we left out for the presentation. Now in a wok, we will heat up a teaspoon of sesame oil with a teaspoon of vegetable oil. And we're going to cook the garlic and the ginger on low heat for 1 minute. After a minute, now we're going to add in the shrimp that has the shell on. We're going to cook those for 3 minutes on each side. After the first 3 minutes, this is how they look. As you can see, they are getting a pinkish color. Now we'll continue to cook them on the second side for 3 more minutes. After 3 more minutes, they should be completely cooked. So now remove them from the wok, tap them a little bit to remove any excess garlic or ginger, and just set them aside until you're ready to use them. Now in the same wok, now we'll cook the rest of the shrimp for about 2 minutes on each side. And they don't have to cook completely, you just want them to get some color, so 2 minutes on each side should be enough. So after cooking the shrimp for 2 minutes on each side, now we're going to add in the red bell pepper, and we will also add in the green onion. Just stir for 30 seconds, and then after that, now we're going to add in the baby corn, and we will also add in half of the bean sprouts. Stir once again for another 30 seconds, and then remove everything from the wok. Now in the wok, now we're going to add in the ramen broth. And you will find this in the international aisle of your grocery store. If you cannot find it, feel free to use vegetable broth or chicken broth. If you're using vegetable or chicken broth, you will have to add an extra teaspoon of minced ginger, and you will also add an extra tablespoon of soy sauce and another extra tablespoon of fish sauce. So you're going to add about 5 cups of broth into the wok. So we're going to cook the broth until it boils. While that happens, now we're going to cook the noodles. Just cook them according to the package instructions. Then drain them and set them aside. Once the broth is boiling, now we're going to add in the mixture of the shrimp and vegetables back into the wok. Set the heat to high. And into the broth, we will also add in the noodles. Sprinkle with more green onions and chopped cilantro, and also add in the baby spinach. Then toss everything together and just let it boil for 1 minute. And then after a minute, now it's ready, now you can serve it. This is how it looks. To serve it, just place some of the noodles in the bowl and then top them with the broth and the rest of the ingredients. And then garnish with more chopped cilantro, chopped green onions, a few leaves of baby spinach, and also garnish with the shrimp that has the shell on. And also add a hard-boiled egg. And then if you like it spicy, feel free to add some minced habanero pepper. And that's about it. This one is so delicious. I really hope you like it. Enjoy! To print these and some other delicious recipes, please don't forget to visit my blog. The link is going to be down below. And remember, you will also find me on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on Pinterest. I'm everywhere, so all the links are going to be down below. If you want, you can check them out. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be notified of future updates. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye!